I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now here search and select Asana. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit Asana API console. Now click on Create New Token. Give them a meaningful name as you want. Check the list. Then create token. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Action. Select Project. Then select Section. Now map the fields. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to the Asana. Here is the data that came into Asana through the integration. Thanks for watching.